So hello guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I will try to show you how I managed to install this armrest in my 2011 Ford Fiesta. Fortunately this car came without an armrest, only with this zone of cup holders. And I retrofitted an armrest bought from China with only $20. Fortunately, this is a really, let's say, finicky and not so stable armrest, so I had to do a little bit of a construction, let's say, a metal construction, in order to be more stable. And also here I've added ashtray, aftermarket ashtray, just to keep this part here a little bit more sturdy, you know. So in order to rely only on this swivel here, it also applies force on this ashtray, and in this way you can leave your elbow here without any problems that it will break or something like that. So I have this installed already for 2 years now, and a lot of you have asked me how I managed to install something like that. So I will disassemble this just to show you how I did it, and maybe it will help you. So the initial concept of this armrest is to have 4 long screws. You see 2 here and 2 over here that will puncture the initial middle console. And you see here I'm a 100 kilo guy. I don't rely on this small let's say screws that will keep my entire weight. Therefore, as I said, I made a little bit of retrofit. So I've removed already this small screws, and this black part is still part of this armrest. You see here I made a small hole in the initial cup holder. It was something like this here, which if you can remove this part here, you will have a horizontal metal plate that will allow you to put this screw here. And I screwed this nut here with a washer and additional 4 screws, and also here some nuts and screws that will keep it sturdy with this part, so with the middle console. So this part is not going anywhere, so it's part now of this this middle console. And only what I have to do then, change this initial long screw. As you can see here, the initial ones were really long and went through this entire shaft until it will puncture the console. Now I have smaller screws that are actually going through this and entering into this. I know it's not quite 100% fixed. I would prefer something like metal strong, but as I said, I have this already for almost 2 years installed, and with the ashtray positioned here, and now there are two different stress points. There's no problem in it. So yeah, I don't know, maybe this will help some of you if you want to do it like I did. I will put in the description a link to this specific armrest that I bought, so maybe you can use it for yourself. It has a soft material. It also comes with leather, artificial leather, of course, covering. You also have here some space to deposit whatever, your mask or whatever you have now. And yeah, I'm really happy. So if you consider this helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.